Hello everyone, welcome to your Radar. Today, we will learn how to collect a payment in the field and how to generate an invoice. Let's begin. Once you log into your technician portal, go to Job and look for the work order number that was assigned to you. For this demo, we're working on work order 105. From here, click Start Timer. From this page, click the blue icon, Pay Now, and you will be routed in the Payment section. Once you're routed to Payment section, it consists of 3 steps, from Step 0, Step 1, and Step 2. And this payment is currently integrated to Bambora. But don't worry, we can also integrate this to a different payment gateway, example, PayPal. Let's now begin collecting the payment. Step 0. How much is the total amount to be collected? Step 1. Process the client credit card information and submit payment. Step 2. Just click Proceed to integrate the payment in creating the invoice. And close tab. We can also view the invoice. From this page, click Invoice PDF. And we now have the invoice information from the work order number, the date it was created, who created it, customer's billing and shipping information, this line items and the price breakdown, and how much is the amount collected together with the taxes. That's how we collect the payment and create invoice in the field. Thank you.